Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to set up shipping zones and shipping rates in Shopify. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. So go to the settings, then click on shipping and delivery, then click general profile. Here we can see add zone. Click on done, add shipping option. Normal shipping will be 100. Click on done. So we have to set order below 3000 there will be 100 shipping charge, and order above 3000 there will be free shipping charge. So we have to set that. Select order amount, minimum 0 to price set to 100. Click on done. Next, add free shipping. Select order amount, minimum 3000. There will be no shipping charge. Click on done. So we have also set a weight-based shipping for different package size. So add shipping option. Then select weight. Up to 5 kg there will be 300 shipping charge. Click on done. Then add above 5 kg shipping charge. Select weight. The price will be 500. Click on done. So we have set the Indian shipping zones. So next we have to add international zone. Select the country. Here also we have to add shipping options. Shipping based on order value. Next, we can add shipping zones for international orders. So add zone, select the country, click on done. We have to add shipping options based on order value. Select order amount. Below 5,000 there will be 1,000 shipping charge. So next we can create shipping zones for international orders. So add zone, select country, click on done. We have to add shipping options. So for up to 5,000, below 5,000 there will be 1,000 shipping charge, and above 5,000 there will be no shipping charge. So we have to set on that basis. Select order amount. Click on done. Then add free shipping. Order amount. Click on done. So next, a weight-based international ship we have to add. So you have to select weight. It will be 500. Next, about 2 kg there will be heavy shipping. Select weight. Then click on done. Then save all the changes. So this is how we can set shipping zones and different types of shipping rates in Shopify. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.